So today we are unboxing something that I am very, very excited about. All right, how's everybody doing? We are going to be unboxing the Zoom H6 handy recorder. I keep saying the same things over and over. I'm really excited. A couple days ago, we unboxed the Zoom H5, which we do have right down here recording this audio. So yeah, let's hop right in here. We can look at the box all day. Why look at the box? And you can look at the real deal. Hello. Wow. Okay. Let's get this out of the way first. All important paperwork. All right. That's manuals. All that fun stuff that we're going to ignore. Okay. Look at this, guys. Look at this. All right. Just set that right there. Yeah, whatever. All right. Look at that. A little briefcase? It's very nice. Wow. Okay. Alright. Ooh. It's got a... Ooh. It's a pretty nice clip. I'd carry this around. Oh, it's got zoom on the side, which I love and I hate at the same time. I don't like to carry cases or bags around that say, hey, look, expensive product, steal it from me. I don't know. Let's see what's inside. Okay, wow. So, it looks like everything is all wrapped up nicely. Wow, okay. Well, let's go with the boring stuff here. A USB cable. Alright, there we go. Let's see how long this is. Wow. 4 feet maybe? That's cool. That's very cool. Alright. A little foam cover here. It actually says Zoom on it. Check that out. That's pretty cool. Alright. Set that sucker right there. Got some batteries already included. That's very nice. I'm not going to bother unwrapping these though. I've got some batteries ready to go. Okay. Okay, so this has 2 interchangeable mics. Here's the one. I forget what this one's called exactly. It is on the box. Okay. Mid-side mic provides continuous and variable stereo width. That's cool. That's cool. And then this other one we're about to unbox is the XY mics capture. Okay, remarkable stereo depth and quality. Ooh, okay. All right, so let's set that right there. Right there, whatever. These little bags are nice. But okay, wow. So this is X and Y, right? You've got right and left. And it's got a 90 degree, if you can see that, a 90 degree angle of hearing. I was going to say field of view, but angle of hearing. However, if you spin these, now you've got 120. That's very cool. That's very cool. All right, let's get to the main event here. All right, here we are. All right, the Zoom H6 handy recorder. Check that out. Wow. This looks really nice. This looks really nice. It has a slanted screen here so that if you mount this like on something like a DSLR or any other kind of camera, you can mount this on, if you mount it on top, you can still see this screen. You don't have to crane your neck all kinds of funny over your camera to see. Wow. Okay, so we've got our XLR ports here, and then it's got two XLR ports over here. Dials for all of them. Let's attach a microphone. That's neat. All right, there we are. Oh, we need some batteries. All right, let's get this thing turned on. Got the power button right here. While this is turning on, oh wow, that was actually really fast. Anyway, if you guys have any questions about anything that I review on this channel, you can leave a comment in the, leave a comment. I was going to say leave a comment in the description, but I'm not quite sure how you would do that. So, yeah, leave a comment. I will be paying attention to those. Also, if you want more of a immediate response, I do stream on Twitch, twitch.tv/Shinto. I will have a link to that in the description. And you can chat with me live. And I'd love to, talk about any of the gear that we review, anything that we're doing on the stream. And yeah, I'm there Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So yeah, link will be in the description. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. Right now we are recording with the H5, but we want to hear the H6. So the end of this video is going to be recorded on this. If you guys are looking for a more in-depth review, I do have one coming very, very soon. We're going to be going over the H5, the H6. I'm going to do a full workup of both of them. So if you want to know all the technicalities and everything that you can do, I will be doing that for both of these devices. Then we're going to be going over them head to head, so you can decide which one's best for you. Which one is right for you. So let me set this up. Tell it to record. Okay, so now we are recording on the H6. It should be pretty quiet because I'm completely off axis. All right, there we go, pointed roughly at me. So there we go, there's the H6. If you guys like this video, drop it a like. If you have any questions or any comments or something that you think I should have done in this video that I didn't do, tell me. Just tell me. It's whatever. I'll read comments, I respond. Not to everything. But anyway, y'all know what I mean. So this is crazy. The two recorders looking at me, the camera up there and the camera over there. Anyway, I'm trying to give you guys a little bit more time with the H6 so you can hear what it sounds like. I'm gonna head off here, guys. I have been using the same sign off that I use on my Twitch channel, which doesn't really work for this channel anymore. But we're going to use it anyway because I have nothing better. If you guys can think of something else for me to do, let me know. Just remember, everyone, whatever game you play, whenever you play, good luck, have fun, and don't die. Until the next video or stream. The next video when we start going over these. I believe in the next one we'll be going over the H5. We're going to go over full review. And then we're going to do a separate video, which is going to be a full shakedown of everything that you can do with it. And then we'll be doing a same thing for the H6, and then we'll go head to head. So yeah, that is the H6. I'm getting really hot in here. Oh, Shinto out. This is a lot lighter color than I thought it was going to be. All right, cut.